These 4 minerals strengthen your bladder naturally. Struggling with weak bladder control or frequent nighttime trips to the bathroom? The right minerals can make a huge difference. Today, we'll reveal the top 4 minerals that naturally strengthen your bladder, support pelvic muscles, and reduce irritation, helping you regain control and sleep peacefully through the night. Number 1. Magnesium. Relaxes bladder muscles. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals for anyone struggling with frequent nighttime urination, weak bladder control, or overactive bladder symptoms. It plays a powerful role in relaxing muscles throughout the body, including the muscles of your bladder and urinary tract. When magnesium levels are too low, the bladder can contract more often and more forcefully, leading to sudden urges, nighttime trips, and even leakage. Restoring magnesium helps calm this overactivity, allowing the bladder to hold urine more comfortably. Magnesium also reduces inflammation in the bladder lining. Inflammation is a common but silent trigger behind nighttime urination, especially in older adults. By soothing irritation, magnesium helps the bladder feel less sensitive and reduces the urge to go even when the bladder isn't full. This mineral also supports healthy nerve function, ensuring that the bladder sends proper signals to the brain, preventing false alarms during the night. Foods rich in magnesium include leafy greens like spinach, pumpkin seeds, almonds, avocados, and black beans. These foods support both bladder strength and overall muscle relaxation. Many seniors are low in magnesium due to medications, stress, or low intake, so adding these foods regularly makes a real difference. Some people may also benefit from magnesium glycinate supplements, known for their calming and sleep-supporting effects. Taking it 1 to 2 hours before bed can help relax the bladder and reduce nighttime interruptions. However, supplements should always be discussed with a healthcare provider, especially if you have kidney issues. By restoring magnesium levels naturally, you help your bladder stay calm, improve muscle control, and enjoy more restful nights without constant bathroom trips. If you learned something new today, tap the like button and let us know in the comments. Number 2. Zinc. Strengthens bladder tissue and reduces inflammation. Zinc is one of the most important minerals for maintaining strong, healthy bladder tissue, especially as we age. This essential mineral supports the repair and regeneration of the cells that line the bladder, helping them stay firm, elastic, and better able to hold urine throughout the night. Many older adults unknowingly have low zinc levels, which can weaken bladder walls, increase irritation, and contribute to nighttime urgency. Zinc also plays a major role in reducing inflammation within the urinary tract. When the bladder becomes inflamed, even mildly, it becomes more sensitive, causing frequent urges to urinate even when the bladder isn't full. Zinc helps calm this irritation, allowing the bladder to relax and stretch naturally. Another major benefit of zinc is its role in supporting prostate health in men. An enlarged or irritated prostate is one of the most common causes of nighttime urination, and zinc has been shown to support normal prostate size and reduce pressure on the bladder. Women benefit from zinc as well because it helps strengthen pelvic tissues, supports healing after infections, and prevents bladder weakness related to aging. Zinc also boosts immune health, helping the body fight off urinary tract infections, one of the biggest triggers of sudden, frequent urination. You can naturally increase zinc levels by eating foods like pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, lentils, cashews, eggs, and seafood. Just one small serving of pumpkin seeds can provide nearly half of your daily zinc needs. Including zinc-rich foods in your daily routine can make a noticeable difference in urinary control, especially at night. Overall, zinc is a powerful mineral that supports bladder strength, reduces inflammation, and helps you sleep longer without interruptions. Number 3. Calcium. Strengthens pelvic and bladder function. Calcium is one of the most essential minerals when it comes to keeping your bladder strong, steady, and well supported, especially as we age. Most people associate calcium with bone health, but its benefits extend far beyond that. Calcium plays a crucial role in maintaining the strength of the pelvic floor muscles, which support your bladder and help prevent problems like leakage, urgency, and frequent nighttime urination. When calcium levels are low, muscle contractions can become weaker or irregular, contributing to poor bladder control. But when calcium intake is balanced and consistent, the nerves and muscles around the bladder communicate more efficiently, helping the bladder empty fully and hold urine comfortably. Calcium also works closely with vitamin D to strengthen the bones of the pelvis and spine. A stronger pelvic structure provides better support to the bladder, reducing pressure and nighttime trips to the bathroom. In addition, calcium helps regulate smooth muscle function within the bladder walls. This means it can reduce spasms, irritation, and overactive bladder symptoms that often wake people up during the night. Good dietary sources of calcium include low-fat yogurt, cottage cheese, fortified plant milks, almonds, leafy greens, chia seeds, and sardines with bones. Seniors who avoid dairy can easily meet their needs through plant-based foods or supplements. But it's important to avoid oversupplementing, as too much calcium can place stress on the kidneys. The best approach is consistent daily intake through food, paired with hydration and moderate vitamin D exposure. When combined with magnesium and vitamin D, calcium becomes even more effective at supporting bladder function. With steady calcium levels, your pelvic muscles remain firm and responsive, your bladder stays calmer, and nighttime urination becomes far less disruptive. Number 4. Potassium. Balances fluids and reduces irritation. Potassium is one of the most important minerals for maintaining a calm, steady, and well-functioning bladder. This powerful electrolyte works like the body's natural fluid regulator. It keeps sodium in check, prevents excess water retention, and helps your kidneys filter waste more efficiently. When potassium levels are balanced, your body experiences smoother urine flow, less bladder pressure, and reduced urgency, especially at night. Many seniors don't realize that frequent urination often comes from an imbalance between sodium and potassium. Too much sodium causes fluid buildup and irritates the urinary tract. But potassium works in the opposite direction. It relaxes bladder muscles, calms nerve signaling, and restores healthy fluid movement in and out of cells. As a result, nighttime urination can decrease significantly. Foods rich in potassium, like bananas, apples, blueberries, cabbage, and zucchini, can offer gentle support without overwhelming the kidneys. These options are ideal for those who need potassium, but must also keep kidney function steady. Potassium also helps reduce inflammation in the urinary system. When bladder tissues become irritated, they send signals to urinate more often. By lowering inflammation, potassium gives the bladder a chance to relax and hold urine more comfortably. This means fewer bathroom trips, longer sleep, and a calmer bladder overall. However, balance is key. People with advanced kidney disease should only increase potassium under medical guidance. But for most adults, especially those dealing with fluid imbalances and bladder irritation, potassium-rich foods can make a noticeable difference. Adding small amounts throughout the day supports hydration, reduces discomfort, and brings the bladder back to a more stable rhythm. Potassium is a simple, natural mineral, but for bladder health, it can be a game changer. Adding these minerals to your diet can make your bladder stronger, reduce urgency, and improve nighttime sleep. Remember, small daily changes make a big difference. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to AgeGlow, and comment below. Which mineral will you add first? Your engagement helps us reach more seniors who need this information.